Worn shock absorbers and suspension components create unpredictability when traveling on uneven road surfaces, resulting in the vehicle bouncing excessively. This also leads to wear on other parts such as the bushings and tires, and creating a risk of losing control. Just changing a singular item such as the shock absorber but retaining other worn suspension components such as the springs will merely transfer more stress to the weakened components, creating a situation for premature failure. The best safety practice will be to ensure a uniformity in function of all components of the strut. KYB shock absorbers along with the KYB new suspension kit ensures the best combination for a firmer, stable and comfortable ride. KYB, our precision, your advantage.